Hey guys, Flowcheer sent me a free box of their ice machine cleaning tablets. I wanted to show you how easy these things are to use and how well they work. Now to use, they're real simple. You're simply going to open up over here, take the tablet out. You can see here it's a small little tablet. You're going to throw it in your ice machine. Now here you can get a picture of the before. You can see all the grime and deposits in this machine. Now that the tablet's in there, you're simply going to fill it up with some water. See the tablet start to dissolve. Now we're just going to run a cleaning cycle. We'll check back when it's done. Okay, now it's all done. Let's take a look in here. You can see quite the difference. Everything's looking much more clean. It's going to remove all the limescale and mineral deposits to keep your ice maker working perfectly. And I would definitely recommend this for anyone who has an ice maker, either just one of these at-home ones or a commercial one.